This is a video on how to embed an image in your Canvas discussion board. First thing you would do is you would click on Reply in your discussion board, and you have a couple of options on how to embed or add this image to your discussion post. Right here, if you hover your mouse, there's an embed image icon you can click on. And the easiest way would be to click on the Canvas tab, and from here you can choose photos that you've uploaded previously, or you can click on Upload File to upload a new image. From there you would click on the photo and click Update. You can also, on the right hand side, click on Images and then choose from images already in the course, in your course files, or you can also choose to upload a new image. You would click Choose File, and then from there you would need to put in some alternative text and hit Upload. Make sure to click on Post Reply, and this is how you embed an image in a discussion board. If you need any assistance, we could be reached at 253-566-5176. You can also email us at support@tacomacc.edu, and this will generate a support ticket, and one of our technicians can assist you.